Hey option sharks, your option coach here. Let's dive into this video. For those of you in the markets trading options, investing, the past 2-3 weeks has been quite the ride. All right, so how do you manage your portfolio during these times, right? How do you hedge? How do you preserve? Okay, number one is not being leveraged, meaning over leverage on margin debt or borrowed money, and also not having too much leverage on your portfolio, because this way you don't get margin called, and then if you cannot cover, you will be liquidated. Okay, so that's number one. Really managing your risk management when it comes to your margin debt, all right, and how much leverage you are using in the market. Okay, so reviewing your positions, looking at what positions you have on that's on margin, and making sure that you are able to maintenance it and cover it. Okay, so that's number one. Number two is how to hedge in this market. You want to look at this market as an opportunity. One is learning experience. Two is how to hedge it by doing cover calls. All right, so cover calls on positions that you have, long positions that you have at least 100 shares of. This is where you can sell cover calls. And I recommend low delta, because at any moment the market can rebound and have a V-shaped recovery, which then you don't want to get caught in a cover call where your strike price it's above your strike, and then you have to roll your cover call out. So the way I look at it is, if you pick a delta that's 15 and below, selling cover calls on a weekly basis, this helps you hedge and make some money back, right? Get some cash, get some income back on those unrealized loss as the market is correcting, pulling back, or trading sideways. All right, so this way you are still able to generate some income from ownership and help you recover some of that unrealized loss. Okay, so selling cover calls, low delta on your leaps and on your long positions. Leaps if you have level 3 assets, so you can do poor man's cover call, which will be really, really helpful. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, like and subscribe, leave a comment if you have you want to connect with me. And of course, you can always book a time with me if you want some help when it comes to trading options or investing in the market. I provide one-on-one coaching. I'll share my screen. I'll give you a virtual tour. And of course, stay tuned for the second half of this video. You'll see me in action coaching my members when it comes to technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and trading with you live. Also, all the strategies. Okay, so wish you a great day wherever you are, and then I'll see you on the next one. In 67% profit there. So we can close that out early.
This is the one.
Yeah, we can roll this as well. That's one thing we can do. NVIDIA 101, you have a 119 cover call. We can roll to collect more profit. SoFi, you have a put. That's just, yeah, all of these we can roll for more profit. Okay. I think they're also holding NVIDIA shares. Yeah, NVIDIA, all these tech companies are not doing good at all. So let's go to where the Apple trade is. Yeah, go down where it says Apple 417 to 1250. Yeah, and then there's a little menu to the right. Click on that, and then click roll this position. Okay, this is already very profitable. So we can buy the close and sell to roll this position.
So you're looking at the this right here, the gains and loss.
Yep. I'm looking at that 99.9%. 99.
Yeah, this one right here too.
Yeah, that's why I said all these trades I helped you with, they're very profitable. So we don't need to wait till it expire naturally. We just let's roll to collect more profit and time decay. Need to do some technical analysis on that. And then let me see, what are you clicked on? Yeah, let's click on roll positions.
Now you're looking at you're using the same analysis that Henry is using.
Yes.
Yeah, the Bollinger Band, RSI, and the moving average.
That's right.
Okay, so
yeah, but also you got to understand what's going on with the news and the current market conditions. Right now, it's actually less technical and more fundamental. So right now, the market conditions, you need to focus more on that than using technical. Technical, you're going to still always use it, but right now the market is very unstable. So the focus is more on what is the market conditions, what news is coming out, things like that, and how is it going to affect the particular stock you're trading on. So in Apple's case, they're in tech, and they're affected by the tariffs.
The
And they're
tariffs,
made,
yes,
yeah, and their products are made in China or made in Asia. And
most of it.
Trump is literally going to war with Asia. He's literally,
Yeah.
causing destruction with every Asian country over there. So
Hmm.
he's not doing too well, and it's affecting these companies. So we need to take advantage of that and make money during this process. So I'm gonna click on roll position right under sell more. Yeah, click on that. And this will open up a window. Okay, great. So let me look at what the current is. 12.50. If it's still good profit there. Well,
This one.
probably. Yeah, there's no money there. So, but we're very bearish on it right now. 207.50 is okay. Yeah, actually 210. 210 is, let's see. See. We're either going to go with 207 or 210, but we'll see.
Yeah, I don't really want to lose
Yeah.
my Apple stock. So that's why I watch it.
Yeah.
And
So we can roll down to 210. So click on so everything's good. The Schwab already opened everything. So the bottom is sell to open, right? And then expiration date is correct, 425. Now
Mhm.
the strike price is not. So we're gonna roll down actually. It's gonna go to 210. Yeah, just
This one.
click a little, yeah, click on that one. Yeah, we'll collect $68 for this, and then we can process this order right here. So hit review order and process this. So we're taking profits on the other one because it's worthless. It's only worth $1. And then
Yeah.
we're making 68 bucks additional for next week.
Yeah, this is really a lot. I like the Robinhood better. It seems
Yeah.
like
But you gotta change your limit price now. Go to
yeah.
order type on the left side. And no, don't process that. You're not gonna get filled. Click on market
Oh,
on the left, on the bottom left. Yeah, click on market. You see market right under, yeah, there you go. And then just process it because the numbers keeps dropping, so keep process it quickly.
okay.
We lost $4 because when you process when we get everything locked in, once we get everything locked in, you got to review order and process it, or else you're not going to get filled. But right now,
Ah,
we'll get filled. So hit review order and process. Yeah, place the order. And let's check order status to see if it got filled. Great. Okay. Let's
yeah.
go back to
Is
your,
this the top one?
yeah, that got filled. Yeah. So let's
Okay.
go back to your account, your positions. No, this is you gotta go back to the top accounts and then go back to the positions. Okay, go down. So we got NVIDIA. I want to do the same thing. I want to roll this out. So click on the little menu, roll this position, and let me check it out real quick to see what is the options on this right now. Let's see. Yeah, 112 looks good. Okay, so we're gonna roll down. Everything looks good, and then the strike price. Let's see. Let me see which one. Either gonna be 112 or 113. Yeah, 113 looks good. Let's see what's the premiums on that.
On what price?
113. Let me see what's the premium. Oh, there's no premium there. Let's take a look at it. Let's see. Yeah,
This is covered
there's some
calls.
premium, but it's not like, you know, uh, fantastic. Let's see. Just go with 112. It's only $33, but it's still money. So you can change your expiration date on the second leg where it
I'm on
says
the yeah, I'm on the what do you call this? What and this is we're buying calls, right? Oh no,
no, we're
that's
selling. We're doing the same thing what we did with Apple. We're
Apple.
taking profit on the original trade, which is the top line, buy to close, and then the bottom, which is sell to open, we're doing a new trade. But you need to change the strike price, the 119 to 112 for the second leg, the red position.
Hmm. Yeah. I'm looking at my phone, just checking the Nvidia on
Yeah. But change
yeah,
the strike price to 112.
see what
Yeah, that one. There you go. All right, that's it. And then process that, place order. Okay. So pretty much what do you call it? Again, same thing. This is more fundamentals because of the negative news. And then the numbers have changed, so it didn't get filled. It's still open. But if you hit refresh, maybe you get filled already. Because on the yeah, tap on the refresh, see if see if it gets filled. No. So we need to replace order on this one. So go to the little menu to the right of it, and then it should be able to change order, replace order.